Shaba says Limpopo Boy's management sabotaged him, while Floyd Makwela's girlfriend is defending Limpopo Boy. Hello, Mzansi, it's a gossip girl. On Kasi podcast, Shaba made some serious claims about what happened with Limpopo Boy's TikTok account and Instagram account. According to Shaba, Limpopo Boy did record the video himself and saved it as a draft on TikTok. He is now claiming that someone who had access to Limpopo Boy's social media accounts allegedly took the draft and made it public on Instagram stories without his permission. Shaba believes that this was done by someone within Limpopo Boy's management team and says Limpopo Boy was basically sabotaged. Things did not end there. Floyd Makwela's girlfriend, Lil Pudding, has come out to defend Limpopo Boy, adding another side to the story. She posted this caption on Facebook: "To anyone making noise right now, let's be real. Limpopo Boy is human being first and an artist second. We all have moments of privacy, excitement, and human error. The only difference is that public figures live under a microscope. He didn't commit a crime, he just lived his life." To the sponsors and the industry, do not let temporary internet noise blind you to his talent and hard work. To Limpopo Boy, keep your head up, stay true to yourself, and don't let this break your spirit. This too shall pass. People love to talk and act like they live in a glass house, but let's keep it 100. The man is human. He was having his moment, and his body is his own business. So for those who do not know, Lil Pudding ke girlfriend of Floyd Makwela, Oja Zanene, he became popular when Atomo Gradi life cover the policy from Lefala Mamare Mara Atlokofeji, and then he started flaunting on social media around the neighborhood. That's how we got to know about Floyd Makwela. Basically, he blew it. So right now, I don't know what he's busy with in his life apart from just getting drunk, but I know Rihanna Lil Pudding, they have something going on.
I want us to talk about that again. We were Limpopo Boy. So, Bella, then Belela, one of his like close friends. I'm like, Linda. So, Oregon what happened was Limpopo Boy nkarubile le courage like kungazwani ne management. Uyibonile that video? Okay, ngizokubonisa yona.
So hayi ngifuna uyibona.
Okay, grand.
Yeah.
Okay. So uri ngeke uyibonta. So uthi kube nje ne back and forth na ne management yabo makangitshela untanga yabo. Then untanga ngathi lama video lawa beka poster ku ngilo bana ku TikTok unalidading option ya ibonwe kwena
Only friends or what.
Yeah, something like that. Like ukwazi uyibona one, like you can post and ibonwe kwena only one. It's more like we save what it draft. You understand? So within anti save da nkarvar management ya banza ba kurasha because banale access to his social media. Then they got those things, then
the footage.
Yeah, that video then by bega kuma stories because I think no, yazi njani direct matala ne.
It was private, angithi.
Yeah, manager yakho.
Yeah.
Ni access Instagram yakho or your social media account. So when I lent those share as a draft, the moment thing log in on your social
I can remove them from drafts.
Ngwazi ukuzichola. You understand? So azichole bachazifake
post.
Kuma stories.
Yeah.
Allegedly, that's what they told me.
Video be kuma draft.
I don't know if it's draft or so. Let me show you, Tara. TikTok, ne? It has this option. Let me show you. TikTok, in the option or sorry, Justin J. So, ke khona ke post, ne? Like I'm making an example. I wanna know ke post as ne pese, ane?
Yeah.
Ke tlore next. Then I can choose abo moko everyone. Only you. You see?
Oh.
So if I post it, you hlezi bona ke so by cover then bona by be right because I also saw a story like into the trend that on Facebook. Ke bone another story on like on his social media account where they were like, yeah, Limpopo Boy, pay me my money, I'm giving you an hour, something like that. It's all over the internet.
Okay, but give me stick here, man. We should eat.
Yeah.
More accessible.
Yeah, unta ngishayela mfana.
Yeah,
if you lore maybe to manage a social media, get have access to that on your phone and then never keep anything with the archive or keep
like that's what I thought.
So give mistake here, man.
Tara, une iPhone jam. Let alone iPhone. My smartphone no kwazi kuma hidden folder.
Yeah, these smartphones are smarter than people using them.
That's a part. So Nyamangala makathi ithi ngisave lento ku IG or mhlambe enye into yenzela uyazi athi masinabantu maybe made in access yokungena to your hidden things but they like
ubani mela bene ne access ku phone yakho
no nyasho ukuthi let's say wena mohlomba ne Dontara ne madam ya wena access to your phone even your hidden files deleted so you like mali video le cause ngisayidinga athi nyo fihla ngale kuma writing ku Instagram kuma draft because I can ngakwazi ukubuyela nyo access amangifuni because phela yabo le videos yad mata bona kubethile ngwana umfeke
mara le kwayi Wasahlayisa ngono.
Obvious ngiyabona ukuthi bethile kanama.
Never kuhlayise kwayaka.
Bra. Mara untanga usidubule enyaweni mfana.
Udubulile. Lapha story seka siphiwe.
Like kanjani? Hayi ngathi. Let's management.
Sense ukuthi
Ispimpichi ka Skomoto, what do you expect?
Mo life ngaka azanga ka dumella motho a wisa moya waka. Mo life ngaka azanga ka dumella motho a tla a tlo go mpressa down a win. Never. Mo life ngaka azanga ka dira ke motho moya in my life. A ke tsamae ka rulu eo. Le busy. Hey, onyoba motho wa motho jwang a tseba motho gore she's a married woman. Joe, if you don't respect your marriage, ke mang motho tlamela respect lenyalo la hao. If wena self ha o khone go nagana, ha o khone go kopantsha 1 + 1 gore 1 2 1 2 1 2. Ai. Na. O ka se mo nna wa tlo blamela gore ke nyobisitse a married man. Oh, ke nyobile ke a married man. O mang? La banyoba le lena batho ba batho day and night. Ibile le re ba monate batho ba batho ya no ha ba sa le monate ke lona le re ha ona motho wa motho ya no today ijikile fondag itlolo dlala if wena sa ke respect or o sa respect lenyalo la hao rena na re ka tswelle re le setšhaba ra respecta lenyalo la hao re a tseba bashimane ba nyaka marao bashimane ba nyaka onyoba ke ntho ba inyakang ene bile motho a tla mo wena le lena le a tseba o tla fela ka ntho a re ko ja marao ha nya go tseba re o nyetswe re wa nyalo re tlo nyalo re ile wa nyalo re khoitsagalang ka wena ke platform yaka yes ke department tsaka ke a ibuella yeah it's my daily bread like you said so what ha o sa tlhomphi dilo tsa hao a gona motho a tlo di tlhompha tloelang go shupa batho ka menwana ke department ya ka so gona ntho re ka etsa ke nna sharp and home le mo risk ka life ya hae ne le batla mo life ya ka azanga ka dumella motho a wisa moya waka mo life ya ka azanga ka dumella